We have noticed a trend where there has been a decline in cases across the country. So right now we have 2,673 active cases, and the cases vary by regions.
Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony during his daily COVID-19 update on Tuesday. It was relayed that a significant number of the active cases can be found in regions 3, 4, 8, and 10.
We have about 55 cases in Tushin. We have 50 cases in Parfait and Harmony. We have about 50 cases in Port Drawing, 49 cases in Parika, 46 cases in Crane.
Kitty, Sophia, and Common-Slot remain the COVID-19 hotspots in Georgetown, while Mahdia is the hotspot area of Region 8 with 32 active cases and Wismar for Region 10 with 56 active cases. Additionally, there has been a sizable reduction in the number of hospitalizations across the country.
So this is a drastic change from what we had a couple of weeks ago when we were seeing about 100 and 120 cases at Ocean View. That is now down to 35. We have also had up to 38 persons in the ICU. That has come down to about 14.
It was divulged that there are 3 expectant mothers who are also receiving care at the Georgetown Public Hospital. Unfortunately, the country continues to see a high number of pregnant women contracting COVID-19. While the Pfizer vaccine was extended for use on expectant and breastfeeding women in October, it is unclear how many of these women have accessed the jab. On another note, another call was made by the minister for persons to return for their second dose jabs. He reiterated that now that over 50,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine are scheduled to expire at the end of November, it is even more critical for persons to return for their second doses. It is expected that the recently updated gazetted COVID-19 regulation for the month of November will pave the way for an increase in second dose vaccinations, since only fully vaccinated persons are allowed to enter both private and public buildings. At present, 383,013 adults, or 74.7% of the adult population, have received the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, while 245,932 adults, or 47.9% of the adult population, have received both doses. With regards to the adolescent vaccination campaign, 27,498 adolescents have received the first shot of the Pfizer vaccine, while 18,385 adolescents have received both shots. Meanwhile, it is anticipated that the residents of Festival City Georgetown and its environs will be able to benefit from great health care services through the recently recommissioned polyclinic.
You would now have MC8 services, general clinics for medical conditions. We have a number of doctors that would be assigned there. In addition, we'll have laboratory services, imaging services, meaning x-rays and ultrasounds. We would also have at the facility a dentist to provide dental care, and a section of the facility is dedicated to rehabilitation.
It is expected that a COVID-19 testing and vaccination site will also be introduced at the clinic soon. For the HGP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.